Hi, I'm Chuck Arthurs, and we're about to enter a new trade here. Actually, we're going to enter. Actually, I should say we're going to be entering a live trading session. I'm going to take the mouse and I'm going to click right over here where it says Enter Session, and we will click on Continue. I'll give you a chance to see how this works live. It's pretty exciting, and we'll be pausing and stopping this a couple of times just to get things going here. And you get to see how things go on a live trading session. We have our first signal here, and it's an Australian US dollar, and it will be going down as soon as they say. We will be clicking on the put button here, and we'll see what the result will be. Okay, we've got our first signal here, and it basically says when this reaches 275 or more for me to click on the put. I'm just waiting right now, and we'll show you exactly what happens. Okay, I wasn't quite up to the 275. I was at 261, but we got the go ahead to put a put, which would be telling us that the price is going down. So we're going to see how this works out. Okay, we're coming up to the last few seconds of this first trade of the evening. It's at well, about 30 seconds to go. The trade was put in up here, and we were told that it would be going down. That's exactly what's happening. Now, on this trade, I only put in $25 on the trade. The payout's 81%. That's actually 81% payout. So what I'll be getting as soon as this wins in about 5 more seconds is 45.25. That's some of the easiest money you'll ever make.
It's 1 o'clock.
The trade's now over, and we won, and the payout will be $45.25. This amount up here will be changing in the next minute or so to over $2,700. There you go. That's the end of the first trade. We'll just wait for the second one, and we'll show you how this works. Actually, while I'm waiting for the second trade, I'll start the camera up again, and you can see this is continuing to drop way beyond where we were told it would go. So, I mean, that's great. These guys are brilliant in their choices, and all we simply have to do is click in the direction that they tell us to do. So that's incredible. Okay, we've got our second signal in for the evening here right now, and that's a setup for the British pound and the Japanese yen, and that will be going down. So all we'll have to do is click on this, ending at 6 a.m. and as soon as I get the go ahead, we'll click on that. Putting in 25, the payout will be $44.50. Just to show you that this is scalable, though, if I had in 250 here, for example, the payout will be $445. I just got the directions at 931 or higher. I'll put that back to 25. Click on go. So we're at 906 right now. Okay, just got to wait for that to go up to 925. Oh, sorry, 931. Okay, we had a bit of a spike there. They said to click at 931 or higher for it to go down. I clicked, and I believe mine was actually about 961. Let me scroll down here a little bit. Yes, I clicked at 261. Actually, I think I just showed you the wrong thing down below. But this has dropped tremendously here. So this will be another money maker for us in the next 25 minutes or so. Just going to pause this here for a second. Yeah, a second ago when I'd scrolled down, I'd actually shown you the expired position. Now this is the correct one here right now for this one. I put the strike rate in at 9.59, and right here it says anything below 9.31 or better should be in the money. Well, right now it's down to 181,910. So this is a winning trade, which is great. Just going to scroll back up the page here, so we'll get to where the action's actually happening. You can see where the spike was in here. I put mine in somewhere around here. Actually, may have been a little bit higher. Anyhow, doesn't matter, because right now it's down here, and that's where it's headed, and that's probably where it's going to stay. And there'll be more money in the bank due to the signal that we got. Okay, this one looks like it's going to be a little bit close. We actually did have a peak here. I had me worried for a second, but as you can see down here, it is still green, and things are still going well. There's approximately 2 minutes and 5 seconds to go, so we'll be able to let you know what happens in the next 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, this one is just coming to an end in the next 10 seconds. Mine went in at 9:59, and it's dropping. We're at 9:06 right now. 3 more seconds, and we will find out what happened. Hey, it was a second win of the evening. Hey, I'm happy about that. That was actually pretty easy. Okay, we're just waiting over here for the next one to kick in. Expired positions. There's the last win at 44.50, and one before that was 45.25, and this has jumped up to $2,728 over there. So hey, I'm happy with the evening so far. I don't know if we're going to get any more trades or not. Let's see, it's just looking at the time here, that might be the last one of the evening, but there could be one more. I'll stay on here for a while longer and see if we have another one. So far tonight, that's 2 for 2. So hey, I'm very happy. Now, just before I continue on here, one thing I did want to mention, that 25 paid out at 44.50. Had that been $250, like I say, this is totally scalable. That would have paid out at $445 on each of these two. So I mean, that is pretty awesome. Now there's another signal that's coming for another trade, and that's for the USD CHF. Now that's one I don't have on this platform. We are using the Go Options platform. There's about 3 or 4 that are recommended by Options Domination. So I don't have that one right now. We will be taking advantage of that by getting a position on another broker as well. Actually, they do recommend having positions on more than one broker for the simple reason sometimes one currency set isn't covered by all brokers, and in this case this is one of those things. Now I do have something down here that says to put a hold on that, so maybe that's a signal that they're not going to proceed with. So if that's the case, hey, we'll probably get something that I can use right after that. Just going to pause this again here for a second. Well, hey, it looks like that's basically it for tonight. For me, I think I'm going to call it a night. Actually, it's been a pretty successful night. I was able to take advantage of 2 trades, and of the 2 trades that I took, let's see, expired positions. We'll go to expired positions. Of the 2 trades that I took tonight, each one had, let's see, a 44.50 payout. So one was 44.25, one was 44.50. Basically a $90 payout on what we did tonight. So that's pretty cool. We'll keep you posted on everything as it happens. I'm really excited about this. Anyhow, that's it for tonight. We'll catch you on the next video. You guys have a great night. We'll talk to you soon.